Do you have an old photo lying around in your house which is full of tears and damages and want to restore it to make it look like this, but you can't find the right tool? Well, Nano Banana Pro can do that for you, and here's how. Head to gemini.google.com and add the photo that you want to restore. But if you don't have soft copy of your image, then you can either use a scanner to scan the image, or you can simply click a picture of the image and insert it by using this add files button here, selecting from amongst these options, choosing your image and clicking on the open button. After that, you have to select create images from the tools and make sure that Thinking with 3 Pro is selected as your model. After these steps, you have to enter in a prompt which gives the model a detailed instruction on how to restore this image. It asks the model to remove all the physical damages including scratches, tears, dust spots or any missing sections, repairing the discoloration in the image, and after that enhancing the clarity and sharpness of the blurry image and applying the natural lighting and authentic textures to the image, after which there is an instruction to preserve the original composition, post expression as well as the composition of the image. And lastly, the prompt talk about the output image which should be free and quality improved version of the original image, and we'll simply hit enter and wait for it to restore the image. The restored version of the image has been generated, and you can see it has turned this low quality image full of tears into a high quality image. You can now download this image using this download button here, or copy it by clicking on this copy image button, or simply share this using the share icon which will generate a link for you. And if you want to create some different variation of this restoration, you can click on the redo button here and it will create another image for you. And that's how restoring image has been made easy for you.